How to log into Telegram using QR code scan. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to your Telegram using the QR code. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to open up Telegram in a desktop. After you do that, tap on this start messaging option. And right here, you will see scan from Telegram option. Now, what you'll need to do is open up your Telegram on your phone, go to your settings, devices, and then link devices. There, you will see an option and your camera should pull up. After your camera pulls up, what you'll need to do is you'll need to scan this QR code with your uh, scanner from your mobile, and with that you'll have logged in into your account, and it's that simple. That is how you can log in using your QR code on Telegram. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.